Greetings, my name is Jorge Cortez. I'm from the city of Puebla in Mexico. I graduated by excellence from a major in gastronomy, and I'm 25 years old. Since I started my education, I have worked in several places. I will name only the most relevant. First, I work in Bistro 702. That's a restaurant owned by my university. There I have the opportunity to be a baker for almost a year, so I learned the basics on how to prepare bread and pastries for the breakfast service. After that, I had a temporary job in a catering service company called MG Banquetes. There, my responsibilities as an event coordinator were to organize the kitchen and the service area, to receive the suppliers, to oversee all the development of the event, and of course, to please the guests as much as I could. That was one of my favorite jobs because of the contact you get with the people, not only with the guests, but with the crew, the people you work with every day, and it's pretty amazing. After that, my next two internships, one in a small restaurant in the downtown of my city, the other one in another catering service company, both for the kitchen, for the hot and cold area, and a dishwasher as well. My last internship was in La Riviera Maya, the most important place for tourism in my country right now, in the Gran Velas All Suites and Spa Resort, where I learned how to run the substation. My current job is in Royal Caribbean International. I have been working there for the last 9 months as a Commie 1 for the pantry station, which is the salad station. While I was there, I got a recognition, a BIC card, which means very important crew member. You get that one when you go above and beyond the guests' expectations and the company expectations in general. Despite most of my experiences in the kitchen, I would like to get an opportunity that is closer to the guests and guest services area. I promise you won't regret it. I learn fast. I like to learn. That's one of my favorite things in life, to expand what I already know. And I like to give the best of me in every single thing I do. Of course, I look forward for an opportunity to discuss in person our interests. And if you need any more information about me or about my experience, please do not hesitate in contacting me. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon.